Today, I'm going to discuss about snapshot in VMware Workstation or VMware vSphere. Let's say you have been asked to actually create a snapshot, or you want to create a snapshot in your tenant environment before you install a software or before you make some changes to the operating system. So I'll prefer to actually create a snapshot when the machine is powered off, but sometimes you have some like Windows server which are being used in production, and you want to create a snapshot. You can actually create a snapshot when that machine is still powered on. But for this Windows 10 operating system, which is called C003, I've powered it off because creating a snapshot when it is powered off, it goes more faster. So to create a snapshot, we have two options, two methods to create a snapshot. So the first one is we can go to the VMware here, just click on VM, and then here we have snapshot, and we can click and then click take snapshot. Or we can just right click on a virtual machine, and then here is we have snapshot, and we can just take snapshot. So I'm going to call it snapshot. I'm going to leave it just snapshot 1, and I'll say before software installation. So sometimes you want to make some major changes on your operating system or minor changes, and you just believe that if something could go wrong, you should be able to return to the original state before that software was installed. That's actually the reason for a snapshot. And after taking a snapshot, after some time, you observe that everything is going well. You should actually delete this snapshot because it takes actually space on your system. So just click take a snapshot, and here you can see the snapshot has been taken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually install it. I'm going to power on this machine and show you that, for example, I've not installed like Google Chrome or Firefox. So I'm going to install those software and then reverse back again to my original state of my system. So let's power on this machine. So I'm powered on this machine, and I'm going to install Google Chrome on this machine. Let me just install Google Chrome and Firefox. So I'm using the site called Nanite. Nanite is a website which you can use to install multiple software at the same time. So if you want to install like Zoom and let me just use like KeePass and TeamViewer, you can just click on those software you want to install, and it's going to install them at the same time instead of going to the website of TeamViewer and download everything one by one. So this is a very good website which I'll always use even at my workplace to install multiple software at the same time if you just want to install it on a particular machine. So let's get it to your Nanite and then try to install this software. So just click run. So click yes. So it's preparing setup. So the software is being downloaded and it will be installed in no time. So let me pause this video and come back again when the software has been fully installed. Okay, you can see that the software, the Firefox and Google Chrome has been fully installed, and it said status is okay. So I'm going to close this and then close the Nanite web browser. And here you see we have the Firefox and the Google Chrome which has been installed on this computer. So what we want to do right now, so let me just right click on my computer and go to my snapshot. Here you can see we have more options. We can say, okay, revert to snapshot one before software installation, or I can go to the software manager. I can as well take a snapshot of this virtual machine so as just the way it is right now, but I'm not going to do that. If not, this video is going to take more longer time. So if I go to snapshot manager, it says right now I'm here. That's when the software has been installed. So I can decide to go to before the software is installed and go to. So let me just show you that it is possible to actually go back to your snapshot even when the machine is powered on. So let me just right click on the virtual machine and then my snapshot, and I'm going to revert to this snapshot. So it's asking me by restoring this snapshot, the current state will be lost. Do you want to restore snapshot before software installation? It's a question. Just click yes. So it's going to take me back. You see, it's taking me back automatically to where I was before I installed the software. So let me power on this machine again. So I'm using the C003. Let me just power on this virtual machine. So it's going to take some little time for the machine to power on. Let's just hold on a little bit. So I've restarted my C003. So let me log on to this machine and show you what happens. So the machine is being restarted at this time, so it's just taking some. Right. So here you can see that the Google Chrome and the Firefox I just installed earlier is no more there. So which means that I reversed actually my operating system to the way it was before I installed the Google Chrome and Firefox. So here you can see I can go back again and say I wanted to take a new snapshot, or I can go to my snapshot manager here. Here's my snapshot. I can as well delete the snapshot. Say, are you sure you want to delete the snapshot? And I will say yes, delete the snapshot, and you can see my snapshot is being deleted. So that's how easy it is actually to actually create a snapshot when you are using a virtual machine, a VMware workstation. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or just give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. So thank you very much once more for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope this video has been of great help to you. Thank you, and see you next time. Goodbye.